Hello everyone, hope you found it doing great. Welcome to the Tech channel. If you're new here, welcome, and I'm so happy to see you all once again. In this episode, we're gonna discuss or we're gonna learn how to install DaVinci Resolve. So how to download and how to install this specific application. This application is, remember, that only for video, picture, voice editing. That's the main purpose of this application. Alright, in order to do that, let's search about DaVinci Resolve. Alright guys, as you look at in here, there are a variety of these tools available. As you look at in here, from the specific genuine application, as you look at in here, there is a place where you can click and download. Let's click on download and see what we can see in here. So once I click on this one, as you look at in here, there is a two option. Option number one is a free download, another one is you have to pay for $325 if you want to earn it. Otherwise, you can download the free one. So I'm going to put the link down description as well. Just click and you will get to the exact spot that I am right now. So let's click free download now. When you click free download now, there are a variety of options: macOS, Linux operating system, Windows x86 or Windows ARM. Windows x86 is if you are using Windows 64 bits, not 32 bits, and so on. You can see there's a variety of options are available. There's a beta version, there's also a beta version, and you can see in here DaVinci Resolve 19, DaVinci Resolve, I can see Studio 19. Since I have a Windows, what I'm going to do, because I don't need beta version, because beta version is something like whatever is new and you can using it, but it's not available publicly. You're testing it, everything is good, you can feedback to the I can see the specific DaVinci Resolve. Just, hey, there's an issue. If you're very serious, if you're not, then just click on Windows. If you have a Mac, click on Mac. I will click on the bottom, DaVinci Resolve 19 Windows. So in order to download this one, you probably need to do the registration. So the question is, why is registration is all about? They just want to collect your information. Later on, they will send an email like, hey, you need to pay for this feature. This feature is free, but this feature is not free. I'm going to fill out this form and I will get back to you guys in about a minute. Guys, I fill up and then I receive this one. It says thank you, and meanwhile I receive a link, and I receive a link where I can click and download the DaVinci Resolve 19. I'm using the most recent. So I'm going to download this one. Just keep in mind, once you fill up the form, it automatically either start a download application or it will send an email to collect the link to download the DaVinci Resolve. So I'm trying to download it, and once I finish it, I'll install as well. So I pause the video. Once the download is finished, I will continue how to install that one as well. Alright guys, as you look at in here, the download is over. I'm going to go to the folder. When I get to the folder, alright, let's click on this one. First, as you look at in here, it's compressed. I'm going to right click and I set extract all here. I click extract all here, and the option is where you want to extract it. It's extracted right here, exactly the same spot. This is gonna take time. You have to be patient for a while. So this is how you're supposed to install. It's a very heavy application. Remember that it's very heavy application. Maybe you have very strong computer and so on and so on. All right, as you look at in here, the folder automatically open. I'm going to right click and I say I'm going to right click. I have to click open. Open is almost when you double click. So let's see what's gonna happen. Microsoft should prompt me like, hey, this is not a genuine application. I didn't know. You want to install it? If you encounter any option, you just need to click yes. Means yes, I need it. I want to install this application. Anyway, so the reason it was compressed, because it was very heavy heavy application. At the beginning, they thought to give you the compressed file, then you decompress it, and then you're able to use it. That's a good option. I like it. It comes with a new NTFS, new technology file system. Whether you believe it or not, guys, I encountered a prompt. It was like, click yes, you want to install. The Microsoft said, do you want to install or not? I said yes. So I'm not touching anything in here. As you look at in here, everything audio, accelerate. I'm not touching that one because I didn't need it. I have a professional mic. I didn't need any other options. Click install, and let's see how long will it take. Hope it's not giving me any error. If it gives me an error, I will walk you through how to fix it. I think it's gonna take time if there's an error. Very, very, very good. All right, there is a prompt, guys. Can you see the prompt? Click next, accept, click next. You have to read the agreement. So I'm not reading it yet. Like, this is the only option. If you read it, if you don't accept it, you have to cancel it, but I will accept it. Click next. Installation is about to begin. At some point it gave us an error. I remember I used to install this application in one of my laptops. A lot of time. It took me a lot of my time, and then I removed and uninstall, install again. Everything was back to normal. It took a lot of time. It's supposed to be very easy. Could be with my computer, maybe not with your computer, but anyway, this is what it is. If you can see the command line interface, don't worry about that. That was automatically. The installation is successfully installed. Successfully finished. Let's click finish. I will click on show readme. I didn't need to read it. It's also another notepad. Let's click. As you look at in here, the installation is complete. Click OK. Close this one. Close this one too. Where are you? Oh, it's right here. Can you see, guys? The installation is complete. So if it takes time at the beginning, it's gonna take time, but for the next time when you want to use it, because now it's trying to allocate all files. Continue, learn more, and so on. What is new in DaVinci Resolve 19? I would say continue. I don't need to read more. I can say skip and start right now. Quick setup. If you want to click quick setup, that's a quick setup, but I would say start right now because I know how to use this application. Alright, as you look at in here, guys, the application is about to start, and I think this is the only way. This is how you can just allow. You have to allow it. Microsoft full-time prompt. I like the Microsoft because now it's more secure. Just want to make sure that it goes to C drive, DLL file, and this and that. There you go. Let me bring it here. Guys, I hope the information was very informative. The only way to appreciate my work is to subscribe and like the video. Until next time, I say be brave, and of course, see you guys next time. Thank you.